have acne and blackheads. But why is that? Most likely, you're experiencing clogged pores. Excess oil, sweat, and dead skin cells block your pores, which encourages bacterial overgrowth. Even leftover makeup contributes to you suffering from acne and leading to enlarged pores, especially as you age. So what can you do about it? Well, what needs to be done is Deep-Pore cleansing, and black paint soap is here to help you. Black paint soap is made from Kishu Binchotan charcoal, which is a top-grade charcoal made from a special oak only found in the Wakayama prefecture of Japan. This charcoal has 2 times the cleansing power to extract grime and dirt from your pores. It doubles as a thorough makeup remover and works well for waterproof makeup as well. So that makes it the perfect cleanser. 30 types of organic high-grade plant oils are used in the formulation of black paint soap. This specific blend nourishes your skin, and when you massage with it, these oils resolve many types of skin problems and eventually enhance your complexion. As you use the black paint soap, you will notice your skin feeling smoother after each wash. This is all thanks to hydrolyzed silk in black paint soap. This special silk powder is very close to human skin composition. It replenishes collagen, which then tightens your skin and reduces wrinkles, making your skin feel soft and supple. Now that we understand that bacterial overgrowth is the culprit to acne formation, so what is the best way to combat this? The answer? It is to feed your skin with probiotics. Black paint soap from the human microbiome range contains the probiotic Lactobacillus. As probiotics work to balance the good and bad bacteria, it reduces skin inflammation caused by acne by suppressing the overgrowth of bad bacteria. And in order to reduce excess sebum production, which is what makes you have oily skin, probiotics block external allergens from bonding to your skin, which then reduces further outbreaks. In return, hello plump and moist skin. The soap wash is the very first step in your black paint skincare regime. All of our products are made from premium quality, EcoCert approved organic ingredients and imported from Europe. There are no alcohols, no preservatives, or synthetic fragrances. With black paint, you will allow your skin to be beautiful naturally. At Blackpaint, we have made a continuous effort to improve our product. Because of this dedication, we have achieved the 10th consecutive year of the Grand Gold Medal of the Monday Selection Awards in the year 2019. This award is a globally renowned award run by the International Institute of Quality Selections in Belgium, equivalent to the difficulty of maintaining a 3-star Michelin accolade for 10 consecutive years.